After breaking out of this falling wedge pattern, I'm seeing a possible 12% pump here in the market for Dogecoin within 14 days. This is going to be absolutely crazy, and I need everyone to be paying attention. So follow along with that. Let's jump straight into the charts. We're going to take you over to the TradeConfident.io website. Currently, we are 22 wins and 0 losses, heading straight down to Dogecoin. The first metric we're taking a look at is the emotional index. And as of right now, especially with this move up recently, we are currently seeing a neutral reading. And this tells me that the price really could go one way or the other. We're not entirely sure at this point. Right now, traders are feeling very, very neutral about Dogecoin. And moving on to the Dogecoin volatility breakout detector, this is where I'm seeing absolutely huge moves about to come into the market for Dogecoin. We are now in low volatility. Check it out. Every time we push into low volatility, there's an insane move. Low volatility, insane move. It happens over and over and over again. Low volatility, insane move. Low volatility, absolutely crazy move right here. It's wild how accurate this is. Whenever there's low volatility, this is when we begin to see impulse moves in the market. And guess what? I think it's about to happen again. The only question at this point is whether we're going up or we're heading back down. To help us figure that out, we got to take a look at the Dogecoin Whale Smart Money metric, and unfortunately, this is looking pretty neutral too. We've been seeing consecutive readings. Each one gets lower and lower as it switches back between long and short trade. This shows immense amounts of pressure building for whales. Again, I think it's just a matter of time before we see an impulse move, and I'm going to be looking pretty bullish. That's my personal opinion, and this is because if we look at the Dogecoin major support and resistance levels, there is a ton of structure support right at the level we're at currently. About 6.915 cents is the closest structure support that we're looking at. However, as we look upwards, there's not much structure resistance to speak for until we reach 7.889 cents way back here. I'll show you on the live charts exactly where I think we're heading, but if we move towards Dogecoin long versus short trades here, we see long trades increasing while short trades are decreasing. This is immensely bullish. Whenever we see long trades increasing by itself, that's bullish. Short trades decreasing is bullish too. So when we see both of these at the same time, I think this is where we're really going to see those moves up in Dogecoin coming soon. Last but not least is the Dogecoin daily trade scanner. We got a couple of buy signals that resulted in a small move and then a much bigger move up here. We saw a sell signal which resulted in the next move down. So if we see a buy signal on Dogecoin right here, I think that's going to signal the next crazy move up. And with that, you're going to want to be paying attention to these metrics every single day. All the metrics on our website are updated at 8 a.m. Pacific time every single morning. So if you want to grab access, you can get the membership at the links in the description below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership is the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our homepage where you're going to want to go up to subscribe. Click that, fill out your information right here. I personally recommend the full access for $59 a month. It'll give you access to all our metrics for 20 coins, all 20 coins on our website, morning brew overview, scalping, trade calls, future forecasts, Zoom coaching every single month, and many more benefits. Just go ahead and click choose right here. Fill out the prompts and you're good to go. With that, we're going to take a look at the live charts here. Right now, as I said in the intro, we're seeing a falling wedge pattern. We've officially broken out of that and received a sell signal, which created a drop where we are about to retest this and see the next move up. Most often after you break out, you will see that retest, and after that, that's when you're seeing those crazy moves. And at the same time, price versus well money flow and the trend exhaustion for that matter are about the middle of their charts. This shows me, again, lots of neutral readings on Dogecoin that we could see a move up or down, equally likely in either direction, but based on the fact that we saw long trades increasing and short trades decreasing on the metrics, I think we're more likely to see bullish moves to the upside. As the price moves up, I will be looking for price versus well money flow to be high, trend exhaustion to be high, and if we get a sell signal, all three of these will combine to be some of the most bearish signals you can possibly get. At that point, that's when I think we're looking at the next move down. But until then, I'll be watching for the price to move up to about structure resistance at 8.155 cents. From the current price, this will work out to be about 12%, as I said in the introduction. And I'm just honestly giving this about 2 weeks, 14 days total to play out. I do want to let everyone know it is possible we will see a drop, but if we do, I think it's going to be a very small one to structure support at 6.849 cents. At that point, in anticipation of the next move back up, and I think if we do bounce off the structure support, we're heading straight to that 8 cent cent mark. If we do drop, I'll be looking for price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, and hopefully a buy signal in anticipation of the next move up, again to that structure resistance. No matter what happens, you're going to be wanting to pay attention to these trade confident indicators. It'll be crucial that you be using those. So if you want to get access, I can give them to you for $400 off right now. And in order to do that, all you got to do is grab them at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators are the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the indicator store page. Just go ahead and click I want this right here. Fill out your information. Go ahead and click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $349 instead of the regular $749. This is a $400 discount offer. Go ahead and click add to cart. You'll get your $400 off. Make sure your information is correct. Click pay, and you are good to go. Once you are the proud owner of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators, again, just be looking for the price versus while money flow either to drop right here to low, trend exhaustion to drop with a sell signal as we approach this structure support at 6.849 cents, and from there a possible bounce up to structure resistance at 8.155 cents, where we will be looking for price versus while money flow high, trend exhaustion high, and a sell signal in anticipation of the next move down. Personally, I think it's going to be more likely a straight shot upwards from here, but both possibilities are in the cards, so I want everyone to be prepared either way. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.